Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to reset calories in Myfitnesspal. For you guys who are using phone, you can just go ahead to your app store if you are using iOS and download the application from it. Or if you are using Android, you can just go to Google Play and download the application from it. For those who have been using PC like me, you can just go to your browser and then in the URL section, you can type myfitnesspal.com. So here it is. So and once and as always, you have to create an account first to be able to access this page. So create an account, email, password, etc. And then you will have to put like some information about your body, weight, height, and how old you are, and what is your goal in the state of your so if like you are active or not. Now this page will be appeared for us after we actually give the informations about our bodies, and this is the calories that we have to eat in a day. So after they calculate like your age and they see like the minimum calories you can eat and the maximum calories you have to eat, this is the calories that you will have to eat by your body and by the goal that you have put it uh in your request or your sign up. So now how you can actually change the calories remaining? You can actually change it by editing it through this goals section. So if you go to the goals section, you will have here the edit. You can actually edit it from here. If you have even like the premium version, you will have even more details to edit later on. Or else, if you want to really edit it, you can just go to settings and update diet fitness profile, and from here you can choose your current weight or height or go weight in order to actually see the calories that or reset the calories that you will have in the home page. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.